What should you do first? Get a life insurance or build your emergency fund?
Practical answer to that is get a life and health insurance first. At the same time, building your emergency fund. Sa emergency fund, may dalawang approach yan eh. The first approach is accumulation. Ikaw yung nag-iipon ng pera in order for you to protect yourself just in case something bad happens to you. For example, yung budget mo is 2,500 pesos per month. You multiply that by 12, you have 30,000 pesos in the bank by the end of the year. Just in case something bad happens to you within that year, meron kang 30,000 pesos na pwede mong gamitin for emergency reasons. Pero ito yung tanong, yung 30,000 pesos ba ay malaki or maliit pagdating sa emergencies? Sa panahon ngayon, ang liit niyan. That being said, meron tayong pangalawang approach. Ang tawag natin dyan is accreditation. Instead na ikaw ang mag-ipon ng pera at ilagay mo siya sa bangko, ang gagawin mo sa pera is that you pay a certain institution para just in case something bad happens to you, sila na ang bahala to support you financially. So example, 2,500 pesos pa rin ang budget mo. But this time, you are not saving it in the bank. What you're going to do is to pay it to a particular institution. You multiply that by 12, 30,000 pesos ang total na binayaran mo in that particular year. Just in case you get admitted for whatever reason, sa hospitalization, etc., yung emergency fund mo is not worth 30,000 pesos. Rather, it's approximately mga 1 million pesos. So kung ikaw, which is more practical, accumulation or accreditation? The answer is accreditation. Kasi nga, mas malaki yung nakuha mo na benefit just in case something bad happens. And yung accreditation, ladies and gentlemen, ang tawag natin dyan is insurance. Since malaki yung coverage nito, then mas practical na kumuha ka muna ng accreditation. Para kung meron kang mga malaking emergencies tapos wala ka pang enough emergency fund, meron ka ng malaking support na kuha from the insurance company. Yun yung logic. But here's the catch. Kailangan mo pa rin ng dalawa. Accreditation is for major and big emergencies. What if magkasakit ka and then for the past 3 days, masakit yung ulo mo, may fever ka, you go to the doctor and then yung doctor mag-assess sa situation mo, magbigay ng reseta and yun yung gagamitin for you to take the medicines. It is a minor emergency, kukunin mo yung pera doon sa naipon mong pera sa bangko. So both are very important. Kailangan meron kang accreditation, meron ka ring accumulation. But if you were to choose kung anong unahin mo, yung accreditation, kasi math alone, mas malaki ang coverage compared mo naman doon sa accumulation.